What's up, guys? Alec here. Hope you're all having a great day. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I wanted to go over something pretty slick that I enjoy doing and I run for all my products on Amazon. It has to do with PPC, and it's creating the lowest bid PPC campaigns that you possibly could do. And I'm excited to share this with you guys, and I think you guys are going to get a lot of value out of this and enjoy it. And hopefully you guys will use this for your business. If you've been following along with my channel, you know who I am, what I'm about, and I've been doing Amazon for the last 8 years, and finally I wanted to just be authentic with you guys, create a channel, and just share all my experiences, what I've done wrong over the last 8 years, what I've done right, and basically create something that I would have wanted as I was going through my journey. If I found a channel like this, 6, 7, 8 years ago, I would have absolutely loved this. So I kind of wanted to do something that I would want myself. So I'm a visual learner, and that's why I'm creating all these videos. I want to help you guys as much as possible in your business because e-commerce and Amazon is just huge and a massive opportunity, and I just want to help and change as many people's lives as possible. And I think I could do that through creating these videos on YouTube and helping you guys with little details with your Amazon business, and also just kind of the more broad theories and aspects of entrepreneurship and online business. So I really want to truly say thank you to those of you who have been watching my channel for a few months now, and to the brand new people who are subscribing every day. Thank you guys very much for those of you who are subscribing every day, and I just want to thank you. I don't take your time for granted. I want to just give you the absolute best content and help you guys as much as possible. Really no BS. I just want to give you what I know from my experience. And guys, let me know in the comments if you've been watching my channel. I just want to hear some feedback, and hopefully my videos are helping you guys. And if I got you started to do Amazon, or helped you kind of get unstuck in a certain area that you were stuck in business or something, please let me know. I would love to hear and kind of interact with you guys in the comments. So other than that, I'm putting out videos every single week. So this video today is about PPC and how to get the lowest ACOS for your product. So if you guys aren't familiar, what the ACOS is your average cost per sale, and it is the margin that you have between all your costs and the sale price. So basically your profit. So whatever's in there, you want to stay under that for PPC. So usually 35-40% is the typical margin on Amazon. So with PPC, you want to attempt to stay well below the 40 or 35%, and anything that's below that is a great ACOS. So I have another video on my channel I just created recently about PPC, full PPC video. So guys, check that out. And that goes through in detail everything about PPC you need to know to create profitable campaigns that find you amazing keywords. So check that out. But for this video, I want to show you how to create the absolutely lowest ACOS percentages. So I think you guys are going to love this, and here is a quick example of some low PPC ACOS. So 11%, 28%, 13, 27, and you basically just set these campaigns up and you have them running. But the one we're going to create is going to have an ACOS of maybe 3, 4, 5%, so real low. So if you guys nail this, you can basically just have a printing press generating you sales. And it's not typical. I don't really hear a lot of people speaking about this, so I think I'm the first one sharing this with you guys. So I want to put this out there. Like I said, I'm just constantly giving you guys everything I know. So how do you guys do this? So what you're going to want to do is go into your advertising and then campaign manager. Once you're in there, you want to create a campaign. So you're going to get to this screen, and it's going to say set up your campaign budget, and then you're going to want to name this low bid, and then your product name. Okay, so low bid product name. Once you put that in there, that's just to track which campaigns what. You're gonna have other campaigns running. I suggest always running PPC no matter what, uh, because profitable PPC can only help your rankings tremendously, and you want to have that running all the time. Amazon rewards people doing PPC, so you want to feed that machine and give them what will help your product the best. So, but this one is going to be low bid, and it's going to be an automatic PPC campaign. And what this is going to do is the bid is going to be low, and it's basically going to avoid all the high bid PPC keywords, and it's only going to like search for the lowest bid PPC keywords. And normally these are going to be long tail keywords because they're so cheap and nobody is really looking for them, because people are bidding high $1.50, $2 on these broad search terms. Nobody's looking for these. So with this campaign, nobody is telling you guys this, but and Amazon suggesting for you guys to use $1, 20, 30 for PPC bids. But what I'm going to show you here is for the daily budget, you guys can put $50. You're really not going to use that, but even if you did, your ACOS is going to be so low that you're going to be getting sales no matter what. So this is going to be automatic. You want to click automatic targeting and continue to the next step. Once you're on this page, you can name this again, low bid, and then your product name, and then you can go ahead down below and you pick your product. So once you have your product selected, you are going to down below. Here's the important part: the default bid. For this, they say the default bid is 51 cents. Now, they also have a range between 19 cents and $1.05. Usually, you want to use the suggested bid and go a little bit higher than that. But for this example, I want you guys to go well below that. Like I said, it's going to be scraping and pulling the lowest bid terms that nobody is finding, these long tail keywords that could be extremely profitable. And so you want to put, let's say you want to start out with 0.1. So 10 cents for your starting bid. And the only difference between this and other PPC campaigns is other ones are quicker because you're spending more and you're showing up quicker for keywords, so you're getting data back. This one you want running for 2, 3, 4 weeks, and you just want to keep it going no matter what, because the longer it goes, the more data you're going to get back and the more it's going to work better. So start at 10 cents, and then it's going to find these keywords. So all you have to do is save and finish, and that's it. Your ad is created, and that's it. You let that run. So let that run for a few weeks and keep it going. If it's going to be profitable, you're going to find your ACOS is extremely low, like 2, 3, 4, 5%. Now that's insane, because obviously with PPC, the lower ACOS is, the more we're making, the more sales we're making, the more money we're making, and the more exposure we're getting, and the better it's going to help for your listing and your organic ranking. So leave that on, and the only thing is every few days, 4 or 5 days, increase your bid from 10 cents to 25 cents to 45 cents to 50 cents. Keep it low and then slowly increase it incrementally every few days, every week, 2 weeks. And what this is going to do is just find you some amazing keywords that you could eventually take and put into an exact match campaign. But these are just truly amazing keywords, and it's an amazing tactic that I wanted to share with you guys, and I think you guys are going to truly love this. Keep that running and come back and post in the comments, post your ACOS. I'd love to see what you guys get out of this and how low your ACOS is, because sometimes when Amazon's algorithm is telling you use this high ACOS, $1.50, $2, $3, and you do the opposite of what they're telling you to do, it could be you're going against the grain, and it could be truly beneficial to you, and it's not what everyone's doing for the best, broadest keywords, but it's finding you those keywords that nobody is looking for or targeting. So do this, guys, and you're gonna have success with this campaign. Um, Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe below. I'm constantly putting out videos about Amazon FBA, private label, e-commerce, living the laptop lifestyle. I want to help you guys as much as possible. And so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.